Hey Firsties, welcome back to day 4. You're almost done this week with math and you've learned so much. I'm incredibly proud of all the skills that you have been mastering. It's just been wonderful to see. So today is kind of a mini review over the 2 addition strategies that we've been working on this week. So we've worked on making a 10 using a number bond, and then we've also been working on drawing pictures. So I have 3 different problems here that we're going to try using our different strategies for. Let's look at this first problem here. We have 18 plus 30. So we're going to do this one together, and I want to do the number bond. So what we're going to do on the number 18, we're going to draw our number bond, and we're going to break up the 10s and 1s on 18 into their values for the number bond. So starting with the 1 that is in our tens place, how much is that worth? How much is that 1 worth? 10. So let's put 10 in our number bond. How much is the 8 worth in 18? It's just worth 8 because it's in our ones place. So what our number bond is showing here is that when you have 10 and 8 and add them together, you get the number 18. So now what we are going to do is we are going to first add our ones here. So let's start with our ones here. We can do 8 plus 30 because 30 can still count as ones. So let's do 8 plus 30. And what did we get as an answer for 8 plus 30? We get 38. And then what we can do is add our 10s to our final answer here. So if we have 10 and we add that to our final number of ones, which was 38, 10 plus 38 gives us a final answer of 48. Beautiful. So 48 would be our answer up top here. So what I'm going to let you do on the second one here, let's review. So first one here, we did the number bond. The second one, I want you to draw a picture of your 10s and 1s. Okay, go ahead and start drawing your pictures for 10s and 1s. I want you to do 17 plus 6 on your own. Go ahead. All right, friends, I'm going to go ahead and step in and solve this with you. So we're doing 17 plus 6, and this time I asked you to use the strategy of drawing a picture of your 10s and 1s. So starting with 17, how many 10s do we have in the 10s place? We have 1 10, so I'm going to draw my 10. How many 1s do we have in 17? So if we look at our 1s place, how many 1s do we have? 7. So let's draw out our 7 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many 1s are we adding on to 17 here? We are adding 6 1s. So let's draw 6 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then what's our last step? What do we need to do with this information to get our final answer? We need to count it all up. Ready? Here we go. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Did you get 23 as your answer? Awesome work. If you did, give yourself a pat on the back. That is fantastic. So 17 plus 6 gives us an answer of 23. This problem, what I want you to do is I want you to do both. I want to see a number bond and I want to see the picture. So for this problem, 13 plus 10, I want to see the number bond strategy we've worked on this week, and I want to see tens and ones drawn. Okay, I'm going to give you about 3 minutes for this one so you have time to do both strategies, so go ahead. All right, I hope I've given you enough time. If not, press that space bar and that will pause Mrs. Gordon, and then press the space bar when you're ready to come back. So we have 13 plus 10 here, and I asked you to show me two strategies. So I wanted to see both the number bond and the picture. So let's start with the number bond here. So that means I'm going to break up 13. And what does 13 break into? Tens and ones. How many tens do we have in 13? We have 1, so that means this becomes 10. How many ones do we have in the number 13? We have 3 ones here, so that means 13 can break up into 10 plus 3 to give me the number 13. Okay, my next step here, I need to add my ones all together. So we're going to add 3 plus our remaining amount that's being added, 10. When you added 3 plus 10 together, what did you get as an answer? 13. Beautiful job. 3 plus 10 is 13. Then I'm going to take my 10 and I'm going to add it to the total amount of ones. So now I'm going to do 10 plus 13. And when I add 10 plus 13, what do I get a final answer of? 23. Beautiful job. So that means 13 plus 10 is 23. So we did our number bond. Then I ask you to draw a picture so you can show me both ways. So let's draw our picture for 13 plus 10. I'm gonna do it over here so I have a little bit more room. So for 13, how many 10s do we have? We have 1. And how many 1s do we have in 13? 3. Okay, so we have 10, 11, 12, 13, and we're gonna add on 10. Well, to add on 10, we just need to draw one more 10. So let's count our answer here. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So both of those strategies get you the same answer. So it's good practice to know multiple ways to solve a problem. So our final answer here is 13 plus 10 equals 23 here. Beautiful job, friends. That concludes today's lesson. You guys have done such a fantastic job. Make sure you check Seesaw for your assignment today. Something I want to really reiterate is you need to be showing your work. I've been highlighting that in our instructions. I will send your work back if you're not showing your work, so don't make Mrs. Gordon do that. Show your work if it asks you to do so, okay? All right, have a fantastic day, firsties. Love you, miss you, bye.